beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your likes and comments. Please, if this is your first time of stopping by, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to cut collar. And I'll make use of this fabric. This is shirt. This is a shirt. So I'll use this to cut out the collar. First, I'll join the two shoulders of this. So you need to cut out your shirt. After cutting it out, fold the button allowance. This is the button allowance of this shirt. And also join the two shoulders. And after joining the two shoulders, you use your tape and measure around the neckline this way. So what I have is 16.5 inches. This hard paper gum. So this 16.5 inches, I will divide it into two. So I've cut what I'll be needing, or a clearer picture of what I'm doing. So this 16.5 inches, I'll divide it into two, which will give us 8.2. See the way it is folded. So here I will measure out 8.2 and also add seam allowance. So here I will add seam allowance. This is for collar stand. So this way I will also measure 1.5 inches. This is also for collar stand. I'll mark this out with my ruler. This way. So after marking the collar stand out, I'll then mark out the collar, which I'll be using 2.5 inches. Don't forget that this is together with seam allowance. So mark 2.5 inches this way. So I'll use my ruler and still connect a straight line. This way. Then here I mark my collar stand. I will go in here by 1 inch. This way. Here is 1 inch. So curve this. So you can decide to measure half inch from this point here and curve. If you cannot curve it like this, so you just measure half an inch and curve it. So from here now, from this 1 inch that I'm moving here, I will connect this. This is the shape of the collar that I want. So if you want your collar to go this way, just use your ruler and mark it this way. So if this is what you want, so if you want your collar to go this way, you use your ruler to slant it this way. So if you want it straight, you still mark it. So mine, I curve this as if it's not that straight. So I will go ahead and cut this out. So I'm making use of this line, not this. This is it. If you want, you can still cut this collar stand out and join them separately, but mine, I'll stitch this way. After stitching, I'll then fold it this way. So I'll use this now and cut it out on the fabric. Fold it too, because I'm cutting both the lining. I will still use the fabric as the lining. So I'm going to gum this hard paper gum on this, on one side of the fabric, this way. So in this tutorial, I'll also show you guys how to fix pockets in your palazzo trouser. This way. After cutting out your pocket, this is the front side, and these are my two piece pockets. This side that I minus 2 inches from, and this is the front part where I minus 2 inches from too. And this is the right side of the fabric, right side of the fabric. So the right side will be facing towards each other this way. So I will stitch this way. After that, I will open it up this way and top stitch. This is it. So after stitching this and also top stitch this area, get the second part of the pocket, place it this way. One is stitch. After stitching it will be this way. Like this. So determine the midpoint of this. Notch it. So I will notch this area. So here is the midpoint. I will also get the shape and also notch the midpoint of this way. So this midpoint, this is the paper gum side, and this is the wrong side of the shirt. So this is the wrong side of the shirt. I will get the paper gum side, place it this way. So I'm going to stitch it like this. So after stitching it this way, I will turn it over like this. Then use this part to close this up. So hold it this way, stitch on top of it, and also stitch around like this. And that will be all.